What? Where?
Like 5 minutes.
Anywhere.
Yeah, let's launch one off, man. Let's do it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll follow you. Okay, we'll follow them first. Apparently we're going to launch a firework. Alright, we made it. These boys are like, yo, let's launch a fireworks. I'm like, sure. Let's do it.
Yeah.
So you guys just roll around with the fireworks or what?
Oh, this is just a one-time thing.
Is it? Yeah.
I have some smoke grenades for like car shoots, but
That's so
On a scale of 1 to illegal. Pretty illegal? This is 100% legal, I've been informed. Yeah!
wait, was it only one?
It's only one? That's the most random thing ever. Yo, SNOWCAT, I want a picture, I want this and that, or what bike do I get, or how do you start? You guys, yo, SNOWCAT, let's go launch a firework. It's just so fucking random.
Yeah, well, I guess that's it, but nice to meet you.
Hey man, good you too. You guys have a nice night.
Dude,
Everyone say hi to me. What's going on here?
Can't find the key.
Did you drop it or something?
I don't think so.
Did you go look everywhere? Where did he walk?
Just went to a mic deck, that's it.
Where though? Let's just double check.
Maybe this fucking video. No? Wait, what is this?
Dude, I've been enjoying this for the last, like the last 10 minutes. He's freaking out.
Oh, did you see a key? Where was it?
I also wanted to see how long it would take you to do all that. It was enjoyable to watch. But you dropped it like right there. You're like, you're losing your mind. You're just, oh, that was way too. I couldn't let you go that. I couldn't let you go that easy. Oh, fuck, that was awesome.
Oh, you dropped it over there.
Yeah, he dropped. It was like right here, like right against the curb. It was like in the shadow too. I was about to go give it to DSG, but like some idiot dropped your demo key, and I'm like, I recognize this Yosh pipe. That's the SN09 key. So that's too funny. Busted. Busted. 2 cars just got speeding tickets. This is the second highest grossing camera in the entire. Oh, there's another one. 3 speeding. This is the second highest grossing camera in the entire city. Eh? Insane. But I think the speed limit's way too slow here. It's a little BS, to be honest with you. It just so happens to go 80 up there, and it stays 60 for this intersection. There we go. Enforcement doing its work. They'll get a ticket in the mail. Look at this guy coming in hot. They'll get a ticket in the mail, and they'll forget when and where it was. They didn't learn anything. Oh, so if you didn't catch on the camera, because sometimes the flashes are too quick, I know they got tickets because the flash went off on the camera facing the intersection. And if you don't have that where you live, I'm happy for you, because we have it. The cop's right there. Which way is he going? Those little fuckers. Little bitches! Sup, boys? Don't look at me, you. So the cops are out in the northwest today. They are everywhere, man. I've seen today, doing my video, I've seen 4 laser traps where they'll sit and hide behind signs, their little guns out to bust you. And they're always in 60 zones that could honestly be 70 or 80 or 150. Our speed is here so slow. Go to California, like this street here in California would be like 60, like 50 miles an hour. Here we're doing 40 miles an hour. Sorry, math was way wrong there. We're doing 35. Is that bullshit?